Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to compose a truth using Truth Social on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account to Truth Social. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to truthsocial.com. We can use the bookmark shortcut. That will directly take us to the social media platform itself. And now make sure you are signed into the account. If you're not sure how to do that, go to the previous tutorial in where I demonstrated how to sign into the account. So now once you have signed in, we can go to home or we can go to profile and click on compose for us to compose a truth. And we are allowed up to 500 characters. So it's almost double that of Twitter. And we can now let the audience know what's really on my mind. So I'll just keep it short. Let's just say hashtag Computer Science Videos. How are we all doing today? I will now click on truth. Before that, we can also, if we wish to, add a media attachment, an emoji, or a voting poll, but that is for another tutorial. So let's now click on truth. And so this should be posted successfully to your page. Let's click on view. And so there we go. The composed truth has been posted to our Truth Social page. Let's go to profile, scroll towards the bottom, and there we go. Posted 1 minute ago, so we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.